Modern creative work involves an exhausting amount of friction. Email threads, scattered notes, and steep learning curves for custom tools often act as barriers. When the gears lock up on a complex project, the energy required just to get moving is immense. Early AI solutions functioned as single prompt tools. They executed exactly what they were told, one isolated step at a time, requiring the user to manually bridge every gap in the workflow. This diagram shows the core limitation. On the left, a single prompt hits a dead-end execution node. It has no connection to the massive wall of required multi-step tasks on the right because it lacks contextual memory. This single prompt dynamic is being replaced by agentic AI, a system capable of active reasoning. Creation is no longer capped by the user's ability to micromanage every administrative and technical detail. Administrative busywork is the first area to be offloaded. AI Inbox identifies the exact docs, sheets, or slides required for a task and surfaces the links directly alongside your to-dos. You can now query your inbox directly with your voice to find specific details, bypassing the need to scroll through long email threads. That same voice-first approach applies to early brainstorming. Docs Live and Talk to Keep listen to rambling thoughts and structure them into organized notes and lists in the background. As this schematic illustrates, while you speak, relevant details from your mail, chat, and the web stream into the wireframe to build out the document's context. These sections build and expand in real time, formatting themselves at the speed of your voice. By automating the organization of these inputs, the system reduces the cognitive load required to manage a project's foundation. The AI is also moving into active asset generation. Google Pics, built on the Nano Banana model, focuses on simplifying the creation of complex imagery. Through advanced object segmentation, specific visual elements within a design can be isolated, segmented, and edited with precision. This scales up in Google Flow, which uses the Gemini Omni Flash model to create a more expansive studio environment. Creators can iterate conversationally, blending real-world reference material with generated content to refine a specific style. This logic visualization shows the preservation of character consistency. The central identity remains stable across different scenes and styles, solving the problem of disjointed outputs. Maintaining this level of consistency allows for a more reliable and predictable production process. The most significant leap is the Google Flow agent. It is designed to handle more than one instruction at a time. It uses project expertise to plan and reason through multi-step tasks, acting as a partner that understands the broader goals of a project. In the early stages, the agent functions as a sounding board for dialogue or plot recommendations, providing recommendations based on the established context. During later production, the agent can execute batch edits. As this diagram shows, an update pulse from the central node can simultaneously alter a vast grid of assets, ensuring all tweaks are reflected across the project. With Flow tools, you can use natural language to build your own utilities. You describe the video effect or custom shader you need, and the system generates the tool without requiring any code. This control extends to sound. In Flow Music, you can fine-tune specific lyrics and adjust individual instruments through conversation. Stitch and Pomelli apply this to the web, allowing you to reflow design ideas alongside an existing codebase by simply speaking them aloud. The system builds its own custom tools and executes multi-step logic to match the specific vision provided by the user. The process of manually clicking through disparate software to organize files, edit timelines, or write code is changing. When the technical and administrative details are handled by the system, the user's primary role shifts toward high-level vision and structural decision-making. Linking workspace organization with the creative power of Google Flow removes the traditional barrier between a concept and its execution. An ecosystem that understands voice, organizes data, and reasons through complex edits significantly lowers the technical hurdles that typically slow down production. This collaborative model allows the AI to provide the reasoning and the tools necessary to turn a raw idea into a finished project.